Hi everyone, Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a in loving memory vinyl decal. These decals are very popular and they sell really good. I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can do it now. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm right here in Photoshop, and I'm gonna need an image and some text to design the in loving memory vinyl decal. It is not complicated, it is really easy. So the first thing you have to do, you have to find the image you wanna use on your decal. Usually for in loving memory vinyl decals, they use angel wings, they use doves. You can use any image, the image you like. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use a angel wings. Okay, so here's my image. Now you have to try to place the image in the middle of the workspace. So from there you can adjust the text according to the image. All right, so then you go to the text tool, and then you type in loving memory. Okay, so you place this on top of the image and try to center as well, and then you go to the name. You gotta input the name here, and so name goes here. So here you put the name of the person. So in my case, I'm going to put Kurt Cobain. He's one of my favorite singers. He's the best. Okay, now we have novel memory, the name. Now we need the date. In this case, I have here 1967, and then the date goes on the side, and then another text here is 1994. Okay, so now that we have all the text we need to curve the top and bottom text a little bit, so it's gonna look nicer. You can leave it like that if you want, but let me show you how to do the curved text here. So you go and select the text tool and select the text you want to modify, and then you go to this menu right here and you create a warp text. Okay, so from here you select the arc. So this one is too much, so you adjust the amount you want. 20, I think should be fine. You adjust the amount you want the text to look like, and then you have it like this, and then you do the same to the name of the person. You go right here and then go to wrap text, warp text, and then you go to arc. But instead of doing it this way, you're gonna do it the other way. So you go right here, put it like this. Okay, and now you try to put it back in center as I mentioned, and there you go. Here you have your in love in memory vinyl decal ready to be sent to the cutter and ready to make some money. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.